Welcome to On Time Dumpsters, your reliable choice for roll-off dumpster rental in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Experience hassle-free waste disposal with On Time Dumpsters, where punctuality meets efficiency. At On Time Dumpsters, we offer a range of roll-off dumpsters to suit your project's specific needs. From home renovations to construction sites, our dumpsters are ready to remove waste. Quality is our commitment at On Time Dumpsters, ensuring our dumpsters are sturdy and dependable. Tackle your cleanup projects confidently, knowing our containers are well maintained and ready to go. On Time Dumpsters is your partner in efficient waste management, providing timely and reliable services. Our streamlined rental process ensures you get the right dumpster delivered when and where you need it. We make it convenient for you. Prompt delivery and flexible pickup schedules are integral to our service. Our team ensures that your dumpster is placed precisely, minimizing any disruptions to your project. Our friendly team is dedicated to making your dumpster rental experience smooth and stress-free. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to assist you with any questions or concerns. Ready to simplify your waste disposal with On Time Dumpsters? Contact us today at 616-460-9554 or visit our website at www.ontimedumpstergr.com to book your roll-off dumpster rental in Grand Rapids, Michigan. At On Time Dumpsters, every project is completed punctually, and every customer is delighted with our efficient and reliable dumpster rental services.